At Fairmont Historic Anaheim campus, we are proud of our strong community, where students, families, and staff come together to create a supportive, inclusive, and nurturing environment. Our weekly flag salute brings the school community together. The Halloween haunt is a beloved tradition, where students and families come together for a fun and festive celebration of this season. The 5th grade primary youth program exhibition showcases students' research and service as action skills, marking an important milestone in their educational journey. In the Cardboard Boat Regatta, students work together to design and build boats, applying their knowledge of science and engineering in a fun and challenging competition. Our extended daycare program provides convenient care for students before and after school, ensuring peace of mind for working families. At Fairmont's historic Anaheim campus, community service is an integral part of our students' education. Our partnership with the Second Harvest Food Bank allows students to contribute to their community by helping those in need. We offer one-on-one counseling to support the emotional and social well-being of our students, ensuring that they have the resources they need to succeed. The book fair is a cherished event, with parents volunteering to help set up and support the school's literary initiatives. Fairmont's historic Anaheim campus, where a strong community, meaningful traditions, and service to others define who we are. Re-enrollment is happening now. With so many reasons to stay at Fairmont, why would you wait? Re-enroll today.